let me show you all screen lock methods that we have available on OnePlus 15R. So if we go to settings and then go to security and privacy, then in here we can go to the device unlock in order to find the screen lock option. Now here we can find a couple of different password types, and although they have slightly different names than usual, they are just like a PIN code, standard password, and the pattern. So even if you choose one of them, you can of course still adjust the password types. If you go next, we can tap on use a different password type, and then you can choose one of these password types, whereas these digit options are essentially just PIN codes. The alphanumeric is the standard password, and of course we also have the pattern. Now, once you set up the screen lock password, you can also use face recognition and fingerprint sensor, so you can set them up as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.